What's up, y'all? You know what, folks? I'm kind of confused because I heard something that I never expected to hear. Okay, MSNBC reporter Allison Morris. Okay, speaking of her, I've never even heard of her. I'm like Los Angeles in, but that doesn't sound like she said knickers to me. So I want to know how in the world would that slip out of her mouth like that? Unless she said that word often or heard that word a lot or whatever. I don't know. I'm not defending her because I don't know who she is. I've never even heard of her. So, and plus, I don't even watch Fox News or MSNBC, Not unless Deal or No Deal would come on that channel or whatnot, So, well, I don't understand that, though. I really understand for her to use, to say something like that, You know what? She said it, she didn't mean to say it. I don't know if I should believe that or what. I don't know. But I don't watch MSNBC. I never even heard of her. Okay? Today is the first time I've ever heard of her. Jeez. I mean, to be honest with you, maybe she always says that at home, using the N-word or whatever, I don't know. Okay. To me, it don't sound like an N and a K to me, It sounds like an N and a G to me, and the ER in the R to me, It didn't sound like no N and a K in that, Sometimes I don't hear too good, but I heard her loud and clear. I'm sure all of y'all out there heard her loud and clear. Okay? I'm very certain all you out there heard her loud and clear. Okay? I mean, I'm disabled and I know what I heard. Okay? Sometimes I'd be like, huh? What you say? But for some reason, I heard her now loud and clear. I was about to say now. I mean loud and clear. Okay? Yes, indeed. I know what the hell I heard, And plus, that wasn't a misquote. Okay? You understand me? That was completely out of line. Okay? I don't know if they should fire her or what, Maybe they should fire her for saying something like that, Just like with this lady from this news channel, I don't remember when they showed some kind of ape on the news and stuff like that in that town, and she said, kind of looks like you. You know what? To me, I don't take that as an offense. If somebody say I look like a monkey or whatever, I mean, I'm gonna take that as an offense, not an a racial thing, because I don't look a goddamn thing like a monkey. Okay, all right. Because like I say, monkeys is animals. Okay, all right. Because on that note, I mean, to be honest, I take that shit as offense, even though she didn't mean to say it at that point of time. I don't know if she did that shit on purpose or what. I really don't know. Okay, because to be honest though, using a racial slur, rather intentionally or unintentionally or whatever, that is a serious offense. Okay, maybe she should be terminated from MSNBC. Well, I ain't gonna say it because I don't watch that channel anyway. as far as I know, y'all remember Brian Williams? He was on NBC Nightly News, and I guess he's on MSNBC still. I don't know. Okay, got demoted from NBC News to MSNBC. I don't know. Okay. When I think about it though, So y'all ain't gonna never catch me watching no Fox News. You know, I don't watch Fox News. Period. You hear me? Because I mean, I'm not dissing Fox News though. I'm not, because I don't know nothing about Fox News. You know, because I don't even watch no Fox News. You understand? I don't know a darn thing about Fox News. I don't know nothing about MSNBC, CNN, Headline News, or whatever. Okay, I don't watch none of them channels. You know. Because, you know, I only watch them local news, sometimes CBS News, sometimes NBC News, sometimes ABC News, okay? But I don't watch no Fox News because I don't know nothing about no Fox News, you know? I don't know the type of people that be on Fox News. The last I heard was excuse me, that Elizabeth Hasselbeck, she was on Fox and Friends. I don't know nothing about it, you know. I mean, I thought about starting to watch Fox and Friends at first when she was on there, but I'm like, I don't watch that channel anyway, okay? And then all I know is Arthur Neville. I don't know if she's still on Fox News. I heard she was on Fox News, but I don't know if she's still on Fox News, you know. You know, but speaking of Arthur Neville, she was on Channel 8. Okay, WVUE here in New Orleans used to be an ABC channel. Okay, and then I didn't know she was on Channel 4. You know, WWL, long time ago. Okay. So I'm like, never mind that though. What I want to know what she was on Fox News, Allison Morris. You know, I never even heard of her, you know. This the first time I've ever heard of Allison Morris. I mean, I don't know nothing about her. I mean, I don't know, you know. But on that note, I'm Domino 7, okay? Brian Domino 7 White, okay? So, if y'all want to talk about somebody, though, I mean, or ask somebody, ask Philip from the Advice Show, Well, he changed they changed the name of that channel though. Okay, talk to Philip Scott, because you know Philip Scott know more than me. You know, I don't know nothing about them news channels and stuff like that, because I don't even watch it. You know, I mean I don't barely watch CNN. Last time I watched CNN was the president election day. You know. So that's when the last time I ever watched CNN, because I don't know none of them people on CNN, not even Headline News, you know. I don't know the people on MSNBC or Fox News or anything, because I don't watch Fox News. Period. Okay. I don't watch Fox News at all, because I don't know nothing about no Fox News. Okay. The only people I've ever heard of that was on Fox News is. Well, that's still on Fox News is Geraldo. He the only one I know that's still on Fox News. Geraldo, I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Okay. So, on that note though, well, on that note, maybe she should be terminated from the news forever, you know. But on that note, I don't know, to be honest though, because I don't know nothing about this lady. I ain't gonna say nothing negative about her, but the thing is, for to use a racial slur like that, whether it's on purpose or an accident, I don't know. But I don't know. Okay, but talk to Philip about it. Okay, Philip Scott, because he know more than me. You know, so. I'm not dissing him either, because you know, on the serious side though, I like Philip. You know, he awesome. Philip Scott. I mean, I enjoy watching him. And Lovely T, I like watching her shows too. You know, Lovely T and Philip Scott. You know, but Tommy Sotomayor, I don't know, because I'm not a fan of him though. You know, be on YouTube talking about black women and stuff like that, but not talking about the white supremacists and all that, not pointing all that out. You know, Well, okay. So I'm not a fan of Tommy Sotomayor. Okay, but on that note. I'll talk about him on another video, okay? As far as that, okay? So, on that note, I really want to say something negative about her so bad, you know. I'm looking at the TV screen because I paused the video that I was watching, okay, of her using that N-word though. I won't say something, but I really don't want to say nothing bad if I don't know the person, because my mom told me before she passed away. Before my mom passed away, she had told me if I have nothing nice to say, don't say it nothing. But sometimes I gotta say something, you know, even if it's not nice. You hear me? All right. So that's it. Whew. Well, maybe they should terminate her. I guess I hope they do. Whatever. Bye.